Sunday dinner. Man. Shoulder pork roast rolled. Okay, this is pork shoulder roast that I baked on Sunday along with a Yukon Gold potato and a sweet potato. And today we're going to fry these up, get it kind of crispy. And these guys here, I'm going to put them in my KitchenAid little guy, which is right here. I'm going to whiz them around a little bit, warm them up, then make mashed potato type thing. I'm not really sure how this is all going to pan out. I got something going on in my head. Hey, we'll just see how it turns out. See you later. Okay, all chunked up. Now we're going to whiz. See what happens. Sour cream has to be used up. I wonder if I could do this with cream cheese, but sour cream looks like just about a big tablespoon. In reality, it's probably about 2 tablespoons. I'm getting a clove of garlic right now, thinking that that might go pretty good in there. Could even do horseradish, I reckon. But I'm low on horseradish. Yeah. Okay. Now it needs to have a little liquid. Pour it right in there. Well, that's creamy. How about we do this? We add in a little extra and sweet potato. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and stiff. Oh, pork is cooking up nice, getting crispy. And let's see what we got here. Have to chop it a little bit more. Okay, I think that last potato got chopped up. You know, it's cute when people do chef stuff and then they go, oh, but my finger, I used my finger and it was like the cleanest finger ever. Like, what? Did you bake or cook with dirty freaking fingers? Goodness sakes. Or they got gloves on. They're all paranoid about getting stuff on their fingers, I guess. I don't know. Okay, that looks really good. That's a mix of 1 sweet potato and 1 Yukon Gold with some sour cream, garlic, and that's it. It tasted really good too. So then over here, I got the pork cooking. I sliced it up, put some olive oil in it, and I always keep in my drawer down here a little packet of taco seasoning that I just sprinkle sometimes on stuff to give it a little flavor. See the little drawer? Look at all those goodies. A little bit of salt on here. Taste it. Ouch. Oh, I dropped them on the floor. Yeah. Right there. See? Mike to the rescue.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Just put it in the trash.
Yeah, because there's a hair there.
Yeah, there's probably hair and who knows what else. Now in a separate skillet, drop some olive oil in there. Get me a scraper, heat scraper. These colored ones are usually heat resistant. Get that scraped out. All right. Turn the flame up. It's almost like I'm frying these potatoes. Oh, there's one that didn't get chopped up. Pork is over here. That's there. And I have leftover coleslaw that we're going to eat. Alright. Let's get up to heat now. Nice and warm. Oh, that's a big chunk of garlic. That is really good. really good. One little thing, we'll pause that. After eating our delicious fried pork, sweet potato Yukon Gold mash with coleslaw, we are under the total, not impression, but under the total, the coleslaw made the whole meal. That coleslaw, we used red wine vinegar, no, apple cider vinegar, horseradish, grainy mustard that we got from up in Three Oaks at Dryers, some local honey, and I think some oil, maybe olive oil. That was it. I didn't put any celery seed or anything in that dressing. But that coleslaw, we had white cabbage and red cabbage.
So good.
And
that vinegar and everything. It's like,
oh, we put a carrot in there too. Remember, you shredded up a carrot.
yeah.
And then you shredded some, we had some bell peppers in there. Little organic bell peppers. Man, that was really, really good. Oh, look, this looks so much better when I hold it up like that. Compared to this. Yeah. Oh, look, you can see the kitchen back there behind us. All of our goodies. So anyways, this is the end of this video that I have put together. But that was some amazing food, and I'm so glad I recorded it, because if I can make this again, I'm going to make it again. Oh yeah. 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 That coleslaw and that pork I fried up in olive oil with a little bit of the taco seasoning. Not much, just a back hint of it. And then that
just give me chills, you know.
That mash about the sweet potato and the Yukon Gold with the sour cream and the garlic. The fresh garlic? Yeah. Man. It was delicious. Delicious.